Hi! So today I'm showing you how to make a Gal Shir type Procreate brush. First, you go to Adjustments and select Noise. Go to Layer and you can adjust it as to what you like. I'm keeping it about 35%. Next, I swipe down with 3 fingers and select Copy. I create a new brush and I go to Shape. Select Import and Source Library. I will select the soft, but you can play around with it a bit. Next, I go to Grain, Edit, Import, and Paste. Now I'll go to Stroke Path and just play around with the spacing a bit to see what gives the best effect for me. Next, I go to Properties and play around with the opacity because that really helps. Now I go to Grain and I play around with the scale a bit because that plays a huge part. Next, for the finishing touches, I will add my name and I will name the brush as well. And now, since I can't type, I will accidentally name it Dhriti's Oodle Dreamwork because that makes sense. Yeah, totally. Thanks so much for watching. Tell me if this helped you and if you tried it out yourself. See you. Bye.